Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. They're going to show you the very easy way how to get started with enabling a two-factor authenticator into your Epic Games account for extra security. So if you wanted to keep your account safe from hackers and gifts to friends in Fortnite or participate in competitive tournaments, you must have the two-factor authentication enabled for security reasons. This as a bonus, once you turn this on, Epic Games will instantly grant you the boogie down emote in Fortnite Battle Royale and extra storage slots in Save the World. So first, what you want to do is to go into the official Epic Games website and log it in, which is store.epicgames.com. Directly here onto the left hand menu, click into the password and security tab. So in my case, I'm going to go directly into my account. And directly here into my account, what I wanted to do is to locate the left section where we have our settings, passcode, and security. Here it says two-factor authenticator, set up at least 2 authentication methods. Here have this enabled method, but here have more available methods. Let's say, for example, we're going to be going for email. So here into the two-factor authenticator, basically the next time you want to sign in or to do a purchase with your actual account, the two-factor authenticator will be asking you after the actual passcode, they will be asking you for an extra passcode, an extra 6th code generated by Epic Authenticator, authentication application, or send it directly into your email. Let's say, for example, here have an SMS, but I'm going to try with something a little bit more. Let's go for authenticator application. I go for the option that says set up, and let's say continue. Now it says set up your authenticator application. Basically here you can try it out. For example, there's a Duo Mobile. This is a secure mobile application that basically does what we're actually aiming for. This will be generating you a 6-digit code for the next 10 seconds, so you can be using this as a passcode. Or what you can do is to use the one that I'm going to be using today, which is the Google Authenticator. Both of them are totally for free, and you can download it directly into your phone device, mobile device, anytime you wanted to continue. So now that I'm directly inside my Duo or my Google device, what I'm going to be doing here is to focus directly into adding a new element. I can use the QR code, or I can manually enter the actual key, which is actually this one, enter the security code here, and go for continue. Just like that, my actual new code will be generated down directly in here, and my application will be generating me a total of 6-digit codes that I can be providing directly inside here. Just like that, I just needed to wait till the security code will be refreshed in 2 seconds, and then I can just enter a new code like this and hit for continue. When you enter this code, we have this specific backup code that you might be seeing blurred because this is, for example, only for security reasons. So I'm going to hit for the option that says done, and I have now successfully set up an application as my two-factor authenticator, and here are my enabled methods already been, let's say, active, right? So once you choose the two-factor authenticator and the backup codes, you have the reward check. Your account is now fully protected. The next time you logged into the Fortnite or you have the new emotes will be waiting for you into the locker. So you can let me know in the comments below what are the rewards when you generate the two-factor authentication into your account. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools on how we can get started directly inside these elements. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can see you guys next time.